Welcome to SmartPost for Google Business Pro in Webflow app. In this video, we'll show you how to sync your CMS with SmartPost to automate the post-publishing process on CMS updates. To automate the post-publishing directly from your CMS updates, click on the Map with Webflow CMS tab to begin. The first step is to select the CMS you want to sync with SmartPost. Next, you'll map your CMS fields to the corresponding Google Post fields. Start by mapping the post title field to the plain text field in your CMS. Then map the post content field to the rich text field from your CMS. Similarly, map the post image field to the image field in your CMS. Finally, connect the button link field with the corresponding link field from your CMS. Once all fields are mapped, click on the Sync Post button to complete the process. And that's it. Your CMS is now successfully synced, and your posts will publish automatically. In the next video, we'll walk you through how to automate the event publishing process on CMS updates by syncing your CMS with SmartPost. Don't forget to check the full documentation or contact our support team if you need any help.